Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Word.
How to insert a blank page in a Microsoft Word document. A blank page is a page that does not contain any text or content. In Microsoft Word, we are allowed to insert blank pages between existing pages with just a few simple clicks. We can insert blank pages at any place in the document. It is a very helpful feature, especially when we are working on long documents. We must select the Insert tab and from the left of the ribbon to locate the area named Pages. In the Pages area of the ribbon is located the command blank page. If we hover over the command, we will be notified with the following. Add a blank page. Add a blank page anywhere in your document. To insert a blank page in our Microsoft Word document, we just place the cursor where we want the new page to begin and then select the blank page command. The blank page is inserted right beneath from where our cursor was located. I have inserted all these blank pages in my Microsoft Word document. If for any reason we need to delete the blank page that we have inserted, we just place our cursor at the place that we inserted the blank page, and depending on where the blank page was inserted, we press the delete or backspace button on our keyboard. A good idea will be to turn on the Reveal All feature, where we can see all the non-printing characters in our document. Another alternative that we have when we need a little bit of space is to insert a page break. Video tutorial that I have described in a previous video of mine.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.